Hi, Prof. This is Sean, PA6. As you can see on the screen, I have accomplished using pump and missile to delete grades, but I still cannot delete alien right now, and probably you cannot hear the game music, but I have put same theme song and shoot.wav to my game, but I am still working on the explosion grade song. So far, I cannot accomplish that. And for my submission report, uh, I put two different submission reports in my. Uh, they they have the same name. I hope you can check them out because I delete one of them in my computer, but when I see the purpose, I see there's two on your end. So one of them is my submission report. They have the same name. Thank you.